to turn any of your sketches into masterpieces, just like this. Once you've drawn your sketch and taken a photo of it, you're going to want to come into Midjourney and drag your image into the chat. Send that to Midjourney, and as soon as it's in the chat, bring it to full screen, go right click and go to copy image address. Well, they're going to type in imagine and paste in the image as an image prompt. You can then add some extra text prompt. Make sure to match the aspect ratio to the orientation of your drawing. So here I've got a landscape drawing. I'm going to make sure I put in --AR space 3:2. Now, the first output you get is only going to be a little bit different from the drawing that you put in. And now here is the key. We're going to use an upscaled version from the initial 4 as an image prompt. So once you've got your 4 images, you can choose which you want to upscale. I like number 1 the best. Once this is upscaled, you can go ahead and copy the image address again. Put in your imagine command, paste the second image and the rest of your prompt. You can also adapt your prompt here to make it more of anything that you desire. And you can continue this process, iterating on your images and improving the quality of your works. You can see here's one of an octopus and some men, and I slowly morphed it into this very graphic sci-fi-esque film style, and you really get a feel for the concept of this image. Here are the steps for this scientist. And each time you do it, the further away from your initial sketch you get in terms of style. But the great thing is it keeps the concept, the structure, and the architecture of the image that you use. So if you're looking to get a good composition with some elements in a perfect position, this is a great way to do it. And I'm pretty happy with this concept of this small boy riding on his snail. Just remember to use the image as an image prompt. If you're interested in learning more about Midjourney, I have an entire course available on Udemy. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a delightful day.